What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen. Today what we're gonna be cooking is a little bit of a throwback meal. We're gonna make one OG taco and one Mark's Kitchen version taco. Simply a tortilla, meat, cilantro, onions. Done. But you know we gotta switch it up on them. Nah, it's not low carb, dude. It's not low fat, dude. It's not low sodium, dude. It's not low in trans fats, dude. It's gonna be real nice right there. Let's just talk about how we get started whipping up these tacos. All right, you're gonna grease your pan and throw your ground turkey right in it, brown it up. While the meat's cooking, we're gonna chop these veggies. Once the meat is starting to brown, we're gonna put in our taco seasoning. We're gonna turn this down to low heat and let this simmer. Then we're gonna fry both of these tortillas each side. Once that cheese has started to melt and the OG one is turning brown, it's time to take them off and plate them. All right, to build this thing, we're gonna slap some ground turkey on top. Gotta have an acceptable presentation here. Onions, cilantro, for the non-OGs, sour cream. Woo, that looks fire flames, my guy. First bite, we're gonna try the OG one. No floof, no cheese, sour cream, just straight up. That's the stuff I do. Now we're gonna do the Mark Spash. Do I have something in my face, dude? These tacos are so good. Got the ground turkey, a little bit more healthy for you guys. You just can't ask for anything better than nice tacos, cilantro, onion, all that jazz. Core tortillas, you already know what it is. Thanks again for tuning into Mark's Kitchen. Make sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Do it, do it. Do it. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.